Welcome to the Year 5 lesson for 9 times tables. In this lesson I'm learning my 9 times tables. Well, you can see down the side here I have got all my 9 times tables written out, and you can also see over here I've got a lot of other tables written out. Now you'll recognise these tables over here because they're all tables that we've done before, and we can use these to help us answer our 9 times tables. For example, we know 2 times 9 is 18, so 9 times 2 has to be 18. We know 4 times 9 is 36, so 9 times 4 has to be 36. And because of all these other tables, it means we've only got 2 tables we have to learn, 9 times 7 and 9 times 9. So let's start with 9 times 7. 9 times 7. Now to help me work this out, I'm going to use 9 times 6, because I already know the answer to that. You can see back up here, I know 9 times 6 because I have done 6 times 9. So 9 times 6 is 54. Now I want to start by thinking about what that looks like. So it's 9 groups with 6 items in each group. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups, and we need to put 6 in all of them. So now I've got 9 groups of 6, which is 54. Now the next step is I'm thinking to myself, what could I do to change 9 times 6 so it looks like 9 times 7? Well, I still need 9 groups, and I've already got 9 groups, but instead of having 6 items in all of those groups, I need 7. So what I need to do is I need to add 1 more item to each of those groups. Now if I add 1 more item to all of these groups, that means in total I have added 9 more counters, or 9 more items, because there were 9 groups and I added 1 item to all of them. So that means the answer to 9 times 7 must be 9 bigger than 9 times 6. So 9 times 7 must be 63. Let's go up here and write that in. 9 times 7 is 63. So now we've just got one question left, 9 times 9, and I'm going to use 9 times 10 to help me answer that question. Well, you can see here I've got 9 times 10, which equals 90. Here are my 9 groups, and there's 10 items in all of those groups. Now I want to think to myself, how can I change 9 times 10 so it looks like 9 times 9? Well, I'm still going to need 9 groups, but instead of there being 10 counters in each group, there only needs to be 9. So that means I need to take 1 counter away from all of these groups. So if I take 1 counter away from all of these groups, that means in total I've taken away 9 counters because there are 9 groups. So that means the answer to 9 times 9 must be 9 less than 90. And I know that 9 less than 90 is 81. So I can come over here and write 81 in. Let's finish by just looking at one more pattern. You can see here I've got all the answers to my 9 times tables written out, and I've just moved the digits apart a little bit. Now let's just see what happens when I put a plus sign in between. Well, 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And if I go through and keep doing this, the 2 digits always add to equal 9. So this is a really good check when you're doing any of your tables up to 9 times 10. If you add the digits together and it doesn't equal 9, then you know you must have done something wrong. You can find the activity sheet that goes with this lesson in the Teacher Tools Multiplication and Division book from the White Book collection.